Hello, Mr. T.
Hello, how you doing?
I'm good, thank you.
Good. Right, the beast from the east.
Is that what they call it?
Well, no, that's what I'm calling it.
Okay.
This is an Aferiy
Is it?
P280.
Oh, hello. Did you come to find out what it was all about?
What's in the big box, Boomer Bear? It's going to keep you warm on chilly nights.
Oh.
Look, this is something else for our ID buzz. This is for when we go off grid. This is an Aferiy P280, which is 2,800 watts battery.
Is that enough to run a hairdryer?
It's enough to run a hairdryer and some straighteners and possibly a fan heater and charge all your mobile phones at the same time.
Anything else?
Not at the same time.
Oh, okay.
I'm sure it would be. But we've just taken delivery of it. So we're just going to open it just to see what's in the box. Obviously, we will do a full vlog of this in the ID Buzz. I just wanted to see what was in the box. And you know me and gadgets. I'm so excited about this one. So I'm not going to sit there and prattle on.
You look really excited, don't you, Boomer Bear?
Yeah, Boom was like, is there any doggy treats in there? And the answer to that, Boom, is no. So, first of all, this is big, it's heavy. While it's packed, 25 kilos.
Crikey.
Unpacked, the net weight of it I think is 22 kilos. So it's a pretty chunky piece of kit. And once it's in the buzz,
It won't be coming out.
well, it will be coming out sort of outside and things, but it's not going to be. I think this is one of these things where it's in a box, in a box, in a box, in a box.
All right.
So I'm going to turn the box over because I don't think I should be able to lift that out. So turn that over. Mind your feet, Rose. It's just like Christmas morning.
What do you reckon, Boomer?
So there's one box.
Right.
It's like Russian dolls.
Oh, they're not that quick, are they?
So there you go.
You didn't get that, did you?
No.
I said they're not that quick.
What, Russian dolls?
Yeah.
Oh, because they're Russian.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're Russian. Yeah,
Right,
Russian dolls.
The Aferiy P280, 2,800 watts, pure sine wave AC output.
Say that again?
Pure sine AC output.
What does that mean?
Pure sine wave. It's all to do with the technology,
Oh,
the powerful technology.
okay.
App control function. So you can control this from an app on your phone.
What do you mean you can control it from an app?
So you can have an app
Yeah.
and you can look at how charged it is, how many watts it's using.
All right.
So yeah, it's all sorts of technical, wonderful things.
Okay.
Supercharger inverter.
What does that mean?
That means that it's supercharged and it's got an inverter.
Oh.
I really don't know yet. I need to study. But this is just the unboxing exercise. This is not what it's going to do. But another thing
Yes.
is, and we'll do this in another vlog, we've got a 400 watt solar panel to go with it as well.
Okay.
So we can, if we're off grid, we can charge it with a solar panel as well, and it's pretty quick at charging.
Oh, he's had some water. He's got that
He's
brain
got
freeze.
So here we go.
Oh, right.
So what have we got in the box? We've got a little package here, which is Aferiy. Inside that we have obviously our mains cable, so we can plug that into the mains
Right.
and recharge it.
Right.
And then that's the charging cable for the solar panels.
Okay.
So you plug the yellow end into the P280 and the other end goes into the solar panels.
Right. And we've got a little bag to keep it all
Little
in. It's
bag
very posh,
to keep
isn't it?
It's very posh. So that's there. So that's really cool. Then we got, what's this? This looks like,
It looks like a cover for
I
it.
think it is the cover.
What's that supposed to, if you leave it outside or something, it's a rain cover or something, is it?
Rain cover, dust cover. So let's have a look. Yeah, look. It's a little cover. Goes over the top of it, keeps it dry. Obviously a bit of advertising there.
Nice.
Aferiy. So yeah, even Boomer agrees
Yeah,
with
it's
that
good
one.
then, Boomer.
What else have we got in here? We've got, that's obviously
The app thing.
The app thing.
Good boy.
Warranty card. So obviously we need to register for the warranty, and then we have the power station instructions. So let's pop that in there so we don't lose any of that. Put that to one side. Take out some more packaging.
Well packaged, isn't
It is. And there we have it. There is the top of it.
It's almost like a table as well.
So if I
Yeah.
lift that up,
Oh, there you go. Hang on, out the way. Wow, look at that.
there you go.
That was a good bit of kit, actually, isn't it?
It is a very nice bit of kit. Boomer, can we just move out of the way, please? We're trying to show some people. So there it is. That's the Aferiy P280. And now we've got the monkey. He's brought us this monkey. So, Booms, come on, out the way. Booms, over here, come on. Lie down.
So what have we got here then?
down.
We've got, is that sockets?
So
All that lot?
Well, these are various. So all along here, you've got your USBs and your USCs. You've got a button there you can press, which is a light. If you hit that button there, I think that actually comes on. There we go.
Oh, look at that. It's 27% charge.
So there you go, 27% charge out of the box. You can hear the fan turning in there. I don't think that fan works all the... There you go, it's just cut out, so that's really
So
cool.
it's 27% and it's going up in output, time remaining.
Yeah, I think the computer inside it's just resetting itself because we've just got it on. So currently there's 99 hours worth of power in there, but obviously it depends on
What you're using.
you plug
Yeah,
in.
yeah, I suppose so.
And down here it's telling you we haven't got anything plugged in at the moment and we're not using it.
So these are these?
These are little sockets. So you've got a 12-volt socket there, and down to there you've got...
I can't do it. It's another 12 volt by the looks of it. Oh no, that's the solar panel thing.
No, that's not. That is 12 volt, but it's a different type of connection. It gives you more power.
So where's my 3-pin plugs then?
Yep, they're around here. So you've got 3 pin plugs there.
Oh, right, yeah.
Okay. You've got an output there as well.
Well, this is going to be fun to vlog when we get this moving, isn't it?
I'm not sure what... Sorry, that's your...
3-pin plugs,
3-pin plugs. We've got a light.
Oh gosh, yeah, bright light.
Bright light.
Bright lights. Oh,
That's SOS, I think, if you watch it. Look, 2, 3, then 3 short ones.
cool.
So that's SOS anyway.
Okay.
I don't know how we turn it off. There you go.
Uh-huh.
That just turns those sockets on.
I'm blind now.
That will turn your USB sockets on.
Right.
And then somewhere you should have the input.
Overflow protection.
Overflow
What's
protection. That is the input for your solar panels.
Well, there you go.
So lots going on there.
Yeah.
So that is the P280. That's our power bank that's going to be travelling with us in the ID bus.
Right.
When we're out and about, means we don't necessarily need to have plug-in electric. So when we're at those festivals later on next year, we can take this with us.
And this is the off-grid thing.
This is off-grid. We'll take the solar panels with us.
Yeah.
So we can keep it all charged.
But we've got solar panels on the top of our ID bus anyway.
We've got a 100-watt solar panel on the top of the ID bus,
Right.
which will feed our leisure battery.
Yeah.
And that will feed the leisure battery, which will look after all the lighting in the bus and our fridge.
Right.
Okay. Obviously, we've got an electric hookup we're having put into the ID bus.
Yeah.
So that will power the
Hob thing.
small induction hob that we've got in there as
Yeah.
well. But this will also power the small induction hob as well. So
How?
we'll connect this in by connecting this
Yeah.
to the ID bus, and this will give us that.
Oh.
Okay, but you'll still be able to plug your hairdryer in here, your hair tongs in there. If we wanted, we could plug a kettle inside.
Tongs, that's an old word.
Tongs. What are they called now? Straighteners.
Yeah.
Aren't they? It's like tongs. God, those are the days. You'll be able to put a kettle in there. electric frying pan. Do you remember the little electric
Yeah,
pan
yeah,
we got that we
yeah.
do a stir fry in?
Yeah, yeah.
Should be able to plug that into it. So it's got lots and lots of opportunities. Fairy lights or something like that around it. It's going to be great, I think.
It'd be good if we ever get need you know, power in the house as well, wouldn't it?
Yeah, absolutely. If we get a power cut at home, we can
Yeah.
just bring it out the buzz and bring it in here. Whether we, I don't know, plug the fridge freezer in there. I don't know how long it would last, but it could last, I would have thought, 3 or 4 hours just with the fridge freezer. It might even last longer. It might keep us going until the power comes back on. But I would say a fridge freezer, providing the doors are shut, they're okay anyway. But we could watch TV.
Oh, well, there you go.
So if that's really important, we'll turn a light on.
It's very pretty actually for a battery. You know, batteries are notoriously ugly, but that's it's good.
Yeah, P280.
P280.
From Aferiy. So the only thing I've got to say on that one is we'll put a link into the end of the video. So if you want to have a look at them, go on that link. This is a completely new piece of kit. I say completely new. This was released, I think, around about the end, 25th of November, something like that. So it's only been around just over a couple of months. So I think this is going to be quite a good seller coming up into
I wonder
the
how
year.
long it would take to get that to 100%.
It only takes a couple of hours from what I understand.
Yeah, right.
It's very, very quick. And I think that's all to do with what's going on inside. I'm not technical, so I'm sure somebody will tell me, but I'm sure that's all to do with the pure sine wave and the inverters and everything else, making it a good bit of kit.
Cool.
And that's it, and just turn it off. I think you just hit the button and it turns off.
Very nice, very pretty. Oh,
Yeah, there.
excellent.
So that's it. So hope that's been of some help. That's unpacking the Aferiy P280.
And we'll bring back more vlogs when we actually come to use it.
Yeah,
won't
once
we
we start using it in the ID bars, we will, well, we'll show you what happens and how it works. And hopefully that will be very soon. But look out for the video as well, because we're going to vlog unpacking the solar panel. So it's a 400 watt solar panel that we'll be able to plug into that and charge it when we're off grid. So that's a really good one. So that's coming on another one. So thanks everybody for watching. Hit that subscribe button. More of you subscribe, we can bring you lots more of these things. And don't forget, click on that link below and have a look at these on the website, because there's some really, really good deals on there at the moment, and there's some good bargains and lots of discount.
Excellent.
Great. Thanks for watching.
Bye.